Hi everyone, today we're doing Module 7, Measurement and Data, Lesson 6, so turn to page 29 to follow along and take notes. So today we're doing converting metric units of capacity, weight, and length. So we're talking about milliliters, liters, grams, and kilograms. So milliliter and liter is a metric unit of measurement that measures capacity. So remember, capacity is how much can fill a container, and we talked about different ones in the last lesson. So a milliliter is about the size of a big raindrop. A liter is like a 2 liter or a half of a 2 liter bottle of pop. So 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. So this is 1 liter and this is a 2 liter bottle of soda. And then we have grams and kilograms. So a gram is weight. It measures weight, which we also talked about in a couple lessons ago. So 1 gram is about a paper clip. A kilogram is the same thing as 1,000 grams. So you would need 1,000 paper clips to equal 1 kilogram of weight. All right, so number 1, 7 times 1,000. Remember, it's easy when you have those zeros. You just multiply the whole numbers. 7 times 1 is 7. And then you put all the zeros after it. So you have 3 zeros, so then it's 7,000. That looks a little messy. That's not a comma. 7,000. Here we have 12 times 1,000. 12 times 1 is 12, and then we have the 3 zeros again. So then we have 12,000. Well, look here. 1 liter is the same as 1,000 milliliters. 2 liters is the same as 2,000 milliliters. 3 liters is the same as 3,000 milliliters. 4 liters is the same as 4,000 milliliters. So we're going to multiply the number of liters by 1,000 to get the number of milliliters. So 7 liters equals 7 times 1,000 equals 7,000. So 7 liter equals 7,000 milliliters. 12 liters equals 12 times 1,000 equals 12,000. So 12 liters is the same as 12,000 milliliters. So use the measuring cups to convert 2 liters to milliliters. Well, here's 1 liter. We know that that's 1,000 milliliters. And then we have another one that goes to 1,000. So we have 1,000 and 1,000. So we're going to do 2 times 1,000 because there's 2 containers with 1,000, which equals 2,000. So 2 liters is 2,000 milliliters. So for completing the table here, now we're doing kilograms to grams. Well, guess what? It makes it kind of easy when it's metric units because 1 kilogram is the same as 1,000 grams. 2 kilograms, 2,000 grams. 3 kilograms, 3,000 grams. 4 kilograms, 4,000 grams. So we multiply the number of kilograms by 1,000 to get the number of grams. So to complete each conversion, we would do 9 times 1,000 to get 9,000 grams. So 9 kilograms equals 9,000 grams. 18 times 1,000 is 18,000. So 18 kilograms is the same as 18,000 grams. So this says convert between metric units of capacity. Using symbols, 8 liters equals how many milliliters? Well, we do 8 times 1,000 equals 8,000. So 8 liters equals 8,000 milliliters. You multiply the number of liters by 1,000. Then when you convert between metric units of weight, again, here you multiply kilograms by 1,000. So 7 kilograms equals how many grams? 7 times 1,000 equals 7,000. So 7,000 kilograms equals 7,000 grams. So the last part, convert between metric units of length. Using symbols, 12 kilometers equals how many meters? Well, we multiply the number of kilometers by 1,000 12 times 1,000 equals 12,000, so 12 kilometers equals 12,000 meters. All right, you're going to complete page 31 on your own. Good luck.